Why do we need IoT? Well, there are many reasons, and one of them is for healthcare. For example, if you have a patient at home who requires life support, IoT can help. With sensors like ECG sensors, pulse oximetry sensors, and blood pressure sensors, the cloud can monitor the patient's vital signs. If there is any critical value detected, the system can immediately send the data to the hospital and arrange for an ambulance to transport the patient. This not only reduces the effort of the caretaker, but also provides more data to the doctor, allowing them to start the treatment immediately with a precise understanding of the patient's condition. IoT can also be applied to everyday appliances, such as a smart fridge. The camera in the fridge can monitor the contents and identify which items are running low or out of stock. It can then place an order with the vendor automatically, saving time and effort for the homeowner. These are just a few examples of how IoT can improve our lives by making them more efficient and convenient.